Welcome to another video. Keep watching to see how to make this metallic birthday cake card. Here are the supplies that you need to make this card. All of the specific items that I used will be linked down below. Start by drawing out the design using your pencil. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. Start by taking your black pen and drawing the cake stand that this cake sits on. Use your ruler to make sure that the lines are really nice and straight, and if you're using two different thicknesses of black pen, use the thicker of the two. That's what I did here. Next, freehand and draw in the rest of the cake stand. Then switch over to your metallic pens and go along each of the lines that you had previously drawn, making small little dots. I decided to use alternating colors, so I did the top and bottom tier in silver and the middle layer and candle in gold. And then finally, color in the candle. Here again, I'm using gold as my middle tier was gold and I wanted to balance out the design. Take your black pen. Here I'm using the thinner of my two black pens that I'm using for this design to outline the candle and draw in the flame. The next step is to outline each of the little circles in black. This does take a little bit of time, but I find it really gives the circles nice definition. And then what I did was I noticed that actually my cake stand wasn't completely even. It happens when you have hand-drawn designs. So I went back in and I did a little bit of touch-up and I lengthened the left side of the cake stand just to make it a little bit more even. And then once you've done any final touch-ups to your card, perhaps erased some of the pencil lines that you have left over, the card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for a really simple yet unique card. Thanks for watching. I hope you try making this card yourself.